This starts as a simple bond hearing, but something feels off immediately. The defendant already tested positive for multiple substances, and the judge isn't buying a clean explanation. Is this medical or misuse? Watch closely, because this case escalates fast, and one decision at the end changes everything.
All right, you're Janice Delafosse. Answer yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Ms. Delafosse, you were previously in court and then tested positive for benzodiazepines and opiates. I raised your bond, and then you made that bond. Is that correct? Again, so when did you get out of jail?
The same day, but it's like 10 o'clock at night.
Okay. So how did you pay that bond?
My daughter did.
Okay.
My daughter helped.
Right. So, okay.
And I'm hiring Kevin Lane.
You are?
To be my lawyer, yes.
Okay.
When I did everything you told me.
When are you going to be able to get him hired?
He's going to be hired. I'm bringing him his money when I get paid on the 3rd.
On the 3rd of May?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I'm going to do then, Ms. Delafosse, is reset your case for about 30 days. That should give you more than enough time to get him hired.
Yes.
If you get him hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to him. He'll tell you what you need to do. If for some reason you cannot hire him, then I am ordering you to visit with other attorneys to see if you can try to hire someone, and then we'll see what your options are. Make sure you bring the information about who you've talked to when you come back, so that I know you're trying if it doesn't work out with Mr. Blank. Okay?
Yeah.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Ashton Jameson.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What?
Also, we have all my medical.
Are you seeing a...
Now things start getting complicated. The judge is asking for proof of prescriptions. And this is critical. In court, saying you have medication isn't enough. You need current, verifiable records. And right now, everything she's providing is outdated. That's a huge red flag.
Are you under a doctor's care right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your doctor?
I just know her name because she's new, but I go to a licensed clinic on UAE to Lake.
So this is through December of 22. What about?
My prescription.
You still have valid prescriptions for all of these? Okay, so this is from December of 22. Do you have anything that's recent?
I went to my pharmacy and I told them that I needed to print out all my prescriptions from the beginning.
So they gave you a printout from January of 2022 to December of 2022. So it's just all of last year. So I need...
They didn't give me the one for this year.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go back and explain to him I need the one, my printout of my prescription that I did now, recently. Yes.
What are you being treated for? What are you being treated for?
Bipolar, schizophrenia, manic depression, and anxiety and insomnia, because I have a lot of confusing. And I have 2 broken discs in my back. And I have 3 in my foot. I have pinched nerves and torn ligaments in my foot because I had fell down my daughter's stairs helping her, and I have all my medical records showing that.
So here's my,
if you don't mind.
no, just hang on a second. Let me just explain what my concern is. Did you drive here? How did you get here today?
My cousin.
Do you drive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The problem is even if you have all of these prescriptions, the concern is that you seem to be.
Here's where the concern really spikes. Even if every substance is prescribed, the judge is focused on behavior, specifically impairment. Courts don't just look at legality, they look at safety. And if someone appears under the influence, especially around driving, that becomes a serious public risk.
Under the influence to a point that makes me concerned about you possibly driving. So if you have prescriptions for all of these things and you're taking them according to the prescription, that's...
I don't, when I have to go take care of my business, I don't take my medication because I have to drive to go take care of my business. When I get finished taking care of my business and I get home, and knowing that the ones that makes me drowsy, groggy and stuff, I take that when I'm at home and I'm not going nowhere. And I'm like a hermit. I don't leave my home. And I do have a condition that are stressed out. My blood pressure drops. And I pass out. And that's what happened last time when I was in court. I did this because someone had drugged me. And that's why I had this, because my doctor knows I don't do drugs. I only take my prescriptions. And it was MDMA that was switched on me.
When?
Those medical records, that's why the doctor gave me this right here.
Let me see what you're talking
about. And I don't know how long she had been doing that to me.
Who do you think was
my daddy's first wife? Because she felt like my mom took her husband, and she just been mistreating all of his kids with my mom. And I have a big heart. I was there for her because my sister, her daughter died, which was my sister. I was there for her.
So this is a test that you took, a drug test back in October of last year. Okay. Well, I don't understand. Okay. Well, I mean, again, the concern is that you're testing positive for, even if it's prescribed, hydrocodone, morphine, norhydrocodone. I mean, this isn't just one type of pain pill. There's obviously an issue going on here that is not necessarily related to codeine. Well, none of these are MDMA. This is all the stuff that you're prescribed that you have on this list. It's just so much that doesn't make, I mean, I'm just concerned. So here's what, well, hang on. I'm going to make a condition of your.
And here it is, the turning point. The judge isn't convinced by the explanations and makes a bold move, banning her from driving entirely. That's not common, but it shows how serious the court views potential impairment. This case highlights a key issue. Prescriptions don't automatically protect you if your behavior raises safety concerns. So what do you think? Fair ruling or too harsh? If you found this breakdown insightful, hit like, drop your opinion in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama.
Bond, Ms. Delafossi, that you are not to drive, period, ever. Because at this point, I have enough concerns, even though this isn't your case isn't necessarily related to driving, based on you being here, what I'm looking at here, what you're obviously to me seem under the influence, whether it's prescribed or not, you are not allowed to drive ever. Do you understand? So I need you to get Mr. Lane hired, and then we'll see where we get on that next court date. All right, do you step in front of the clerk? She'll give you a reset notice.
I got it.
Oh, okay. All right. Huh? It's just going to come back with all that stuff.
I'm going to go to.
That's all, folks.